Do you want to become financially free and start earning passive income? Does $100, $200, or even $500 in a day sound good for you? As in today's video, I will be sharing a strategy on how you will be able to make hundreds of dollars in one single day. Making money with this new method will only take a few minutes of your time. After doing that, you can continue with your everyday fun activities. Don't worry, you don't need to have any previous experiences or special skills to start earning money, as it's totally beginner-friendly. And what I love the most about this is that you can do this anywhere and anytime you like. And all you need to have is a computer, laptop, or smartphone with an internet connection. You don't need to make any investments, buy anything, or spend any of your hard-made money, as it's 100% free for everyone. The best part is that it also doesn't matter which country you're from, as it's available to anyone from anywhere around the globe. In this video, I will be showing you several websites where you need to create yourself a free account. And I will also show you this very cool tool, which you can use to start creating the logos that you can sell and make money off. I highly recommend for you to watch the entire video and don't skip any parts, as every step and detail is very important in order for you to start earning passive income. You can now just continue watching the video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns or questions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can now go over to the first website, that is Latium.org. Basically, Latium is a marketplace for freelancers and employers. This means that users on this platform can either offer services or buy services. This is a very popular site and of course 100% legit. You can now click to this section here where it says Explore Projects, and after doing that you'll see so many different categories in here. And all of them consist of thousands of different projects that you can start completing for money. We can check out the newest projects by clicking here. And as you can see yourself, there are so many cool and interesting projects you can complete and make thousands of dollars for doing that. And what I also love about this platform is that you have the option to choose between several payment methods to receive your payout, as bank transfer, cryptocurrency, and so on. First, the money will be sent to your online wallet, and then you can just withdraw it from there. I would now want you to go back to this section where you can see all the categories. So, for the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on creating logos and making money of it. That's why the next thing you need to do is to click on this category here where it says Graphics and Designs. So you're wondering, why have I chosen this specific category? It's because of this category you have the chance to make the most money. Now, once you have clicked on this category, you can see so many different projects here. You can also see that you can make a good amount of money, from hundreds to thousands of dollars. You can do so much fun with this money, go traveling, buy all the things you've always wanted for you and your family. You can pay your bills and don't ever have to worry about not having money. You can make this a passive income stream for you and become financially free. As you're wondering, how will you be able to make money with this website? Then just listen up, as I will now explain it to you in a bit. For the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on creating logos. Then you can choose the first project in here where they are hiring a logo creator, as this one in here. We can just click on it and see what exactly this project is about. Here you can see what logo you need to create, and in here, how much money you can earn by completing this project. Or, if you want, you can also place the bid for this job. And in here, you can add the date you believe you can complete this project. Don't worry, you don't need to have any skills to create this logo. Actually, you don't even need to do much at all to create it, because there is this free tool that will do all the work for you. It will generate the logo automatically just by clicking on a few buttons. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. You can find this free tool by going to this website, that is freelogodesign.org. On this website, you can start creating logos just within a few seconds. To start creating a logo, you need to know your client's full company name that you can just type in here. Once you have done that, then click to this button in here. After doing that, you will be redirected to this page where you can see so many different logo templates. You also need to know the category that the client's company is involved in. you can find all the needed information from the project page that we just visited. Once you have picked out the logo that you think your client would also like, then you can just click on it. After doing that, you'll be taken to this page where you can customize it and make it look even better. There are so many options in here. You can change the logo. This means you can change its color and size. You can also change the text, change its font, to make it bigger or smaller, or even change the color. Or, if you want, you can add more text to it. And when you look on the left side, you can see that you can add an icon by clicking here. Or, if you want, you can add a cool shape. It's really up to you. If you think the logo is ready, then you can also see the preview of it when clicking here. In here, you can see how the logo will look on the card, in mobile phone, or even on a t-shirt. Finally, you can download that logo by clicking here, and it will instantly save it to your device. After that, you can submit it on the project page, and then you just need to wait for the money to be transferred to your account. And as you can see, there are hundreds of other projects where you can start creating logos by submitting them and making money of it. I highly recommend for you to choose as many projects as possible. That way you will increase your earning potential. To start earning money on this platform, you need to create yourself a free account. You can do that just by clicking on this blue button here. After doing that, you'll see this pop-up where you need to fill in your email address, or if you want, you can also sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Once you have signed in, you can start completing projects and make money of it. I would now like to introduce you another website where you can also earn money just by creating logos with a free tool I just showed you. You can go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr is similar to Latium, as it's also a marketplace where you can sell or buy services. Now, you can just go to the search bar in here and type in logo design, and then click on search. After doing that, you'll be taken to this page where you can see all the active projects. And as you can see yourself, all these service providers are making a good amount of money. You can also see the reviews under each seller that have been left by other customers. Seeing hundreds of reviews under one seller is a very good sign, as this means that the seller has earned a lot of money on Fiverr. You can also start earning on this website just by creating your account and posting your service to this category, just like other sellers have done it. And to increase your earning potential, I highly recommend posting your service to both Latium and Fiverr. As you saw yourself, this money-making technique I just showed you is very easy. All you need to do is just click on a few buttons on your computer or smartphone, and before you know it, you have money coming into your account. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.